Introduction. The hanging man is a bearish reversal candlestick that appears at the top of an uptrend. It looks identical to the hammer. Small body near the top of the range, long lower wick, but its position at a market high changes the meaning entirely. It signals that sellers are appearing for the first time during the rally, challenging the bullish momentum that has defined the preceding trend. Chapter 1. How to identify it. Operating on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day time frames, the lower wick must be at least twice the body length. The body sits in the upper third of the range, and the upper wick should be minimal or absent. A clear prior uptrend is mandatory. A red body is a stronger signal than green, as it shows sellers prevented buyers from fully recovering by the close. Elevated volume on this candle adds significant confirmation. Chapter 2. Key mistakes to avoid. Never confuse it with a hammer. The preceding trend is the only thing that separates them. Do not short immediately when the candle closes. Always wait for the next session to close below the hanging man's low. The stop belongs above the candle's high, not the body. Trading it without additional confluence, such as a nearby resistance level or a volume spike, leads to a high rate of false signals. Chapter 3. Why does it work? Throughout the rally, buyers controlled price with minimal resistance. The hanging man session changes that. Sellers push price significantly below the open, building the long wick, before buyers recover by the close. The damage is done. Traders watching become cautious, and when the following session confirms with a close below the low, it proves sellers have returned with greater force than before. Chapter 4. How to trade it. Enter short after the next candle closes below the hanging man's low. Stop goes above the candle's high with a small buffer. Target the nearest support or a minimum 2-to-1 risk-reward. Trail the stop above each new lower high as the trade develops. The setup is strongest after a prolonged uptrend at a clear resistance level with elevated volume on the hanging man candle.